Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Emolga from Pokemon. Now we're going to get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So let's leave a gap in the center. On the left side I'm going to draw an oval. Starting from the top, work our way around towards the bottom, then back up to the top. Again, leaving that large gap in the center, we're going to line up the top of the eye and draw that same sized oval. At the top of each eye, I'm going to add a circle for a highlight. So at the top on the left, go around, and back up. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's add some shading to the bottom of the eye. So we're going to add a curve. Starting from the left, we're going to go up, then back down. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's fill the inside area of the eye in black. In between the eyes, we're going to add the nose, so a small little oval going sideways. We're going to fill that in black. Now below here, we're going to add the mouth. Starting on the left, I'm going to draw a curve going up towards the nose, back down on the right side. Now let's connect these 2 points with the bottom of the mouth. Starting on the left, we're going to curve down towards the bottom, and pull that up on the right side. Now I'm going to add the tongue. Starting on the left, I'm going to curve up, then back down on the right. Now we're going to work in the side of the head. Let's start in the center. We're going to go all the way up to the top. Start with a point in the middle. We're going to add 2 points on either side, coming down at an angle towards the left, and then down towards the right. Now we're going to come up and out. Now from the end on the left side, we're going to go around the eye, down towards the chin, and then back up on the right. It's almost like drawing a large circle. Now we're going to work our way back up. Now we're going to move over to the sides and draw 2 ovals for the cheeks. So starting on the side of the head, I'm going to go up, down, and then pull that up on the outside of the face. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Now let's go in and draw the outside edge of the head. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to step up, we're going to taper this down towards the chin. Curving around. Now we're going to get a little bit narrower as we come down towards the left side of the chin. Let's go up to the right side. So we're going to line this up, curve out, around the head, and pull that in towards the bottom of the chin. From the top of the line, we're going to draw the inside of the ear. So from this point, we're going to curve up and out towards the left, round out the edge, and then pull that back in. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Starting from that point, go up to the same height, round out the end, and then pull that back in. I'm going to draw a curve on the inside. So on the left side here, I'm just going to curve around, then in towards the side of the head. At the top of the head, I want to leave a small gap on either side and just complete the center of the head. Starting from the left, we're just going to curve across. Now from this point on the left, I'm going to curve up around the ear and then start to taper it down in behind the head. So start on the left side, we're going to go up and out, around the ear. Now I'm going to pull this down. So the spacing in between gets narrower. Let's do the same thing on the right. Go up and out towards the tip of the ear, round this out, and then just pull that in towards the side of the head. Now that we've drawn the face, let's work our way down the body. I'm going to have the arms stretched out on either side. So on the left side of the head, I'm going to start with the upper part of the arm. I'm going to curve across and out. We'll line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Now back on the left side, I'm going to add 3 fingers. We're going to add one pointing up, going up at an angle, and then down. Now the second finger is going to be pointing out towards the left. So go out, and back in. And then the third finger is going to be pointing down. Down, and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the first finger pointing up, second finger pointing out, and then the third finger pointing down. From the inside of the wrist, we're going to curve down the arm in towards the body. Stop right about there. Now we're going to overlap the body on top of the arms. So from this point, I'm going to step in and up, curve over that line, and then down towards the bottom of the leg. Let's round out the bottom of the leg and then come up. On this side, we're going to pull that up. Now we're just going to close off the bottom with a curve going the opposite direction, just blending in towards the right side. At the bottom of the legs, we're going to add 2 feet. Starting on the left, we're going to curve out, down towards the tip of the foot. That's going to round this out and pull that up. We take that and flip it over on the right side. Now let's add the wings underneath the arm. So starting from the wrist on the left side, I'm going to start by coming down and then out. We're going to round this out and pull that in behind the ankle. So right where the foot meets the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the wrist, come down and out. We're going to round out the wing and then pull that in towards the right side. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the tail over on the left side. Starting on top of the left arm, I'm going to start by curving out and up towards the left. I'm going to round this out and pull that back in. Coming into right about there. We're going to add another one. Going out towards the left. We're going to round this out and then pull that back in again. I'm going to add a smaller one. Going out. Rounding this out. Now we're going to pull this in behind the wing. Now we're going to draw on the inside of the wing. From this point, we're going to step up, curve out and up. I'm going to curve in behind the wing, coming down and in. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Emolga from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.